2004 Dodge Ram, 5.9 Cummins. So the kit comes with all new battery terminals here, there. So driver and passenger battery terminals. Comes with all new wires for like ground. So this ground says battery negative to driver, which goes to this fender, which is nice and labeled. So it's really nice about this kit is everything has shrink wrap, nice eyelets, everything has a label, so it's easy to route these cables to where they have to go. So now, interesting thing about this kit is this power cable, positive cable to the back of the alternator, instead of going to the positive terminal here from factory, now it loops all the way around to the actual driver battery. This wire right here is a factory wire that I cut off the block terminal. In this wire, it goes all the way down here to this fuse tray, and there's a wire that's connected to where this attaches to the fuse tray. So the kit gives you like an additional wire, and it gives you like a fuse block. It wasn't really clear on how they wanted you to install that. So basically I just cut it off the factory block terminal, and then I crimped on this eyelet right there, and then I could just attach it right to the new terminals that the kit provides. The starter wire was a little cumbersome trying to install it because I don't know if I can show it, but there's like a clip way down there that kind of clamps the starter wire like this, attached to the frame, and it's also attached to the transmission line, so it's a little tricky to kind of like unhook it from the starter and then slide it all the way out. So that was a little funky. I definitely recommend taking out the wheel liner, because I don't know how else you would get to the starter bolt way back there. But other than that, everything else was pretty smooth. All the grounds were smooth. All the crossover cables were pretty smooth install. So I'm pretty happy with the kit. So I'm just gonna do one more look over of the cables more up close. So this one goes to your fender. This one goes to your engine block. The kit has these nice little cushion pads to kind of prevent some corrosion buildup. And if you're looking at my battery and you're wondering what this wire is for, and there's this little red wire down there, that's for my lift pump for my fuel system. And then this blue wire is for my audio system. So I just want to clarify that just so there's no confusion. So everything's nice and secured, no issues there. And I just want to show you real fast what my factory terminal blocks are kind of looking like. So you can see they're starting to crack all the way through. So they weren't, able to like cinch onto the battery post. So I'm really happy with this new kit, and I would definitely recommend it.